The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...
Okay, so our base for today is going to be Painterly Paint Pot, which is a nude colour. As I said before, you can use anything for your base. You don't even have to have a base, but this is just going to help the eyeshadow stick better to our eyelid and also stop it from creasing. And as we're using some lighter toned colours on the lid, it's better to have a good base. So you just want to put that all over your lid. Okay, so first of all I'm going to take, this is a 219 brush from M.A.C, but you can take any small domed rounded brush. And I'm taking Contrast, which is a really dark blue. So any dark bluey black will be great for this. Because I have hooded lids, I'm just plotting out where my crease is. And then I'm going to start working on my outer crease and blending upwards, kind of in a point. I'm kind of bringing it down into this area, but I'm keeping the concentrated part of the shadow up here. Now you want to get a bigger brush, so I'm using this. This one's an e.l.f. large blending brush. It's just large and puffy and good for blending. Just blending that whole lot out. Then you're going to go back in with the same colour. Again, any dark blue will look awesome. This one's got tiny glittery bits of blue in it, and it's Contrast from M.A.C. And again, what I'm going to do is I'm just next taking a really large floofy brush. This is a Sigma one and it's the E40. And I'm using Nocturnal or Nocturnal, however you want to pronounce it, from M.A.C, and it's a deep purple plummy colour. So any deep purple will do, doesn't have to be M.A.C. And you're just kind of swiping that into your crease, concentrating kind of midsection to outer. Next, I'm taking a slightly smaller brush, so I'm using the 219 from M.A.C, and I'm using a pink which has got kind of like blue reflex to it, and this is Too Dolly from the Hello Kitty palette, but anything pink, so any eyeshadow that's kind of a deep pink will be cool. And you just want to put that on your inner corner, blending towards the middle. Now this section of the eye is inspired by the old Disney Cheshire Cat, and then the lid is inspired by the new Cheshire Cat from Tim Burton and Disney. Okie dokie, and then again I'm taking a big fluffy brush and I'm blending that out. Okay, now to make that section slightly darker in the inner crease, I'm taking Shadowy Lady from M.A.C, and it's a matte deep purple. If you don't have this colour, try getting You could use black, to be honest. And I'm just deepening my crease with concentrating on the outer edge, blending out. Okay, after that I'm taking Violet Underground, which is a violet pencil from M.A.C again, and I'm using this on the lid halfway across in the corner, and then you're just blending that into the lid. It's just to give it, the blue, a really good base to stick to, even though you've got a base on already. And I'm just taking that under my eye as well, because having a purple base with blue gives it this really cool funky kind of colour to it. So anyway, first of all I'm taking sorry, I got something totally wrong before. The pink is actually romping, not Too Dolly. I'm using Too Dolly now, which is the mint colour. So any kind of minty colour will be awesome. And you're patting this onto the first half of your eyelid, stopping about halfway. See, I'm kind of using little mini dabbing motions for this, just because I like it to be really bright. I'm just using an angled brush, which is the E65 from Sigma. I bought these two brushes actually online, and I'm quite impressed, I must say. They're quite quality. They're not ridiculously expensive either, which is great. I'm using another angled brush, which is very similar in size to the Sigma. And I'm using Electric Eel from M.A.C, which is a really bright blue. So any really bright blue would do. Patting that onto the outer section of the lid and blending. Also taking this colour underneath my eye as well, on top of that purple. I also took Too Dolly, the minty colour, underneath halfway, and I'm taking the blue the rest of the way to meet it. I'm just going to put on some more Too Dolly on my upper lid, so I want it to be a little bit more vibrant. That's better. Okay, again I'm taking Shadowy Lady, which is that really dark purple, and I'm just going into the crease again and blending it all out. Next up I'm using a 209 brush from M.A.C and their eyeliner, which is Black Track, and it's their fluid line. You can use any eyeliner, fluid liner you like. I'm going to use it in this mirror. So after I've done this, the look will be complete. All you then need to do is add mascara and your cheekbones, and then you're finished. And I'll show you the look after. Okay, I forgot to say that I've added some black coal from Bourjois into my waterline and created a little point. Created a cat's eye with just some fluid line. And I've added Throb from Benefit, the blusher, which is a light pink. And on my lips I'm wearing M.A.C Blank Tea, which is a nude. So there you go. I hope you've liked this look. Thanks for requesting it, and I'll see you guys later.